Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to write unique articles using Google Bard AI. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your Google Bard on your website. So on the prompt section, let's give the instruction to the Google AI. So I'll be giving the instructions to write 1000 words. You can also go above it or less than 1000 words according to your choice. So as you can see, I've written write 1000 words article about top 10 free keyword research tool. So let's click on submit. So the AI is doing its thing, so let's wait for a while. So as you can see guys, the AI has started to give us our answers, our articles. So in the draft section, you can choose any drafts you like. So there are many other answers as well, so just choose any one you like. So this way you can write your unique articles using Google Bard AI. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.